Let's make this delicious spaghetti salad meal and test out this new 11-piece stackable cookware set from T-Fal. Stay tuned until the end. I'll show you how it makes cooking easier and convenient.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
First up, let's chop up some veggies to add color and crunch to our spaghetti salad. I'm starting with a red bell pepper. Just dice it into small pieces. Next, half of a small red onion, slice it into strips, then cut those strips in half. We'll also need half of an English cucumber, cut it in half, then into thirds and chop it up. Grab a small package of grape tomatoes, just cut them in half. And finally, 3 garlic cloves, mince them finely. Set everything aside for now. Let's head to the stove. Now I'm using the 10¼ inch pan. It's wide and deep enough to boil water easily. Add about a teaspoon of salt to the water for flavor. Then toss in a package of Barilla thin spaghetti. I love using thin spaghetti for salads because it cooks quickly and absorbs flavors nicely. Normally, I don't break my pasta, but for this salad, I prefer to cut it in half so it's easier to mix and serve. We'll cook the pasta for 7 minutes, not al dente. I want it fully cooked. This set comes with 2 detachable handles, super handy for switching between pans. Once your pasta is cooked, just slide the handle in and press the button to lock it in place for easy handling. Carefully drain the pasta, then rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process and cool it down. To prevent it from sticking or clumping, add a little bit of olive oil and toss it while we prepare the rest. Now I'm using the 11-inch pan. It has a handy heat indicator right in the center. When it turns solid red, you know the pan is perfectly preheated to give you a great sear. The pan's granite titanium PTFE non-stick coating means no sticking or burning, and cleanup is a breeze. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan. To make a full meal on busy nights, I like to add pre-cooked chicken. I'm using John Soul's brand. I normally buy the family size, but today I grabbed a couple smaller bags since they were out of the larger ones. Let's add both bags to the pan and get them heated up. Use your spatula to break the chicken into smaller bite-sized pieces. Now add your red onions and bell peppers to the pan. I like to saute them with the chicken to build flavor. Just toss everything together and cook for about a minute. Then add your minced garlic and give it a good stir. For some extra seasoning, sprinkle in salt and pepper to taste, along with about 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Continue stirring and cooking for a couple more minutes until everything is heated through and fragrant. Once it's warm and flavorful, we're all set to assemble our delicious spaghetti salad. To your cooked spaghetti, add your chicken and veggie mixture. Next, incorporate your half grape tomatoes, chopped cucumbers, and a can of sliced black olives. Then sprinkle in some mozzarella pearls. Feel free to customize it. If there's any ingredient you don't like, swap it out or leave it out. For the dressing, I'm pouring in this 8-ounce bottle of Zesty Italian dressing. Give everything a good toss to coat all the ingredients evenly. Finish with salt and pepper to taste. Serve. And here's the cool feature about this set. It comes with special lids, perfect for storing leftovers in the fridge. Your vibrant spaghetti salad is ready to enjoy. Now check out what's included in this set. A 1.9 quart pot, a 3-quart pot, 8.5-inch pan, 10.25-inch pan, an 11-inch pan, 2 detachable handles, 2 pot lids, and 2 storage lids. They wash easily, making cleanup a breeze. Overall, these were great. The only thing I wish they came with are lids for the bigger pans.
You can find this cookware set in my TikTok shop, link posted below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!